Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book, and it looks like today we're doing puzzle number 100. If we start with this box here, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. Got a 1 here, so 6, 8. No help here. 1, 6, 8. 1 here, so 6, 8. So that means the only place our 1 can be in that box is here. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 2, 4. That means the only place our 5 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. Don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6. 2 here, so 4, 6. That means our 2 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 1, 6. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. And this 1 makes this our 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here, so this is our 3. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. And I don't see any help, so 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so that makes this our 6, 1, 4. And this 1 makes this our 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. And we've made a mistake somewhere because we have 2 7s here somehow. Let's see if we can figure this out. So we do have an 8 here. So that would make this our 7. So for this column then, we're missing a 1. And if that's our 7, this is our 8, and it fits in here too, so I think we're okay. I think I just miswrote a 7 instead of a 1 there. All right, well, that will do it for puzzle number 100. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.